Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage TV, so we're back in another video, and today we are unboxing today's package. I got plenty of packages here, and guess what? We are on the brand new system. Don't worry about those clothes over there; those are clean. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start with this one. It says Sopost, so whatever this is, it has to be good, right? Why do they make these so tight? I have my scissors, but I do have a knife. Don't try this at home, kids. Get mommy and daddy to help you. I'm probably gonna need some scissors. Oh no, I don't need it. Okay, cool. Okay, so we got a fragrance. This is Bulgari Allegra, and it says Bulgari introduced to Allegra, a new fragrance collection that unites colorful, superlative emotions of the Italian lifestyle. Allegra consists of 5 eau-de perfumes and 5 magnifying essences that allow you to completely personalize your fragrance experience. Be worn with your Bulgari Allegra eau-de perfume and something like that. So that's the card or whatever. That's what it says on the card. Can't really see. This is the card. Those 5 fragrances. So I think I got this white one here. That white one. So you see the white one right there. I think that's the one I got. And this one is called Riva Soler. Oh, let me show you the packaging before I bust it over. Yeah, so yep, I did get this. Yeah, Riva Soler. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So this is the Riva Soler. I think this is the perfume bottle outside. Yeah. That's that one. I like the bottle. It's nice and small. I have plenty of these that are like nice and small. So let me spray it. Now, I often tell myself to not spray it, to not smell it the first spray, but let it settle in. But I have to. It smells like medicine. I don't know. That's that one. Next up, we got Sampler water wipes. I love these. These literally clean my face really good. So, and my skin too. So yeah. So if you need good makeup remover wipes, get these. Let me show you what this looks like. I need to put these. Oh wait. It's one of those boxes. Yep, here they are. Yo, please get these. They clean really good. Really good. I recommend these all the way. The most delicate skin the world. Oh, okay. The most delicate skin needs the world's most purest water wipes. And these are really good. Please check these out. Let me not put the knife in there. Alright. These are it. Please check these out. These are really dope wipes. I love these. And there's a giveaway. You can win a year's supply of these. So it's high water content. That means you need less wipes. It's a no greasy residue. And it's super soft material. Really soft. Love these. I'm going to put these in this box. Is there a coupon in here, or I could just throw this away? Oh no, it's more information. Yeah, it's just more information. So yeah, it's just 2 ingredients. It's hypoallergenic, and there's no artificial fragrances, parabens, or sulfates. So yeah, I think it's, I don't know how many they put in here, but yeah, get these. Please get these. Get my trash and put it down here. Alright, last but not least, we got this box. Now, I do not know what's in here. It could be anything, because I've been buying a lot of stuff. So, buying a lot of stuff, applying for samples. So this could be anything. Gotta be careful, this knife is treacherous. If not used properly. Oh, Jesus, why is it so hard to open? It's so hard to open. That is. Okay, Influenster. So this is a campaign that I'm on. This is their Pete's coffee that they just sent me. Let's see what's inside. Love Influencer. Okay, so let's look at the cards. So it's crafted for flavor. Pete's masterfully pairs exceptional coffee with natural flavors. Natural flavors for a delicious cup with layers of flavor. Available in 3 varieties: vanilla cinnamon, hazelnut mocha, and caramel brulee, all with no artificial flavors. It also says that we recommend enjoying Pete's new flavored coffee K-Cups with your favorite milk, creamer, or dairy alternative. Okay, so which is the one that I got, because there's coupons for these. I get $2 off of any coffee, Pete's coffee K-Cup box, any flavor, any size, and this is for all of these, which is really dope. I like that. But to be honest, I don't even know which one is this. Okay, so they gave me vanilla cinnamon. Nice, right? Really nice box. Come on now. Really nice box, yo. I like this. I'm not gonna pull one of these out because I'm actually stash these in the kitchen because my mom likes these coffee cups and stuff like that. So it's new coffee she could try. And all that good stuff like that. But let's start with the first package. The Bulgaria Allegra. It's supposed to be like a flower or something, but I farted. I'm sorry. So it's overmasking that. But this is okay. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Then the water wipes, 10 out of 10. Always 10 out of 10. For real. And the coffee K-Cups. Those are 10 out of 10 as well. I'm a sucker for packaging, and I'm a sucker for, good presentation. So 10 out of 10. So it's 7 out of 10 for the perfume, 10 out of 10 for the water wipes, and 10 out of 10 for the Pete's coffee. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and share the video if you share cool stuff. And click the notification bell, which is probably down there somewhere, where you notify of all of my videos. And also remember, I'm trying to do as many of these as I possibly can. I'm going to be in the process of uploading what I am currently going to be doing my reviews on. What current setup I'm doing my reviews on now, because I officially fixed my setup. That video is coming soon along with this one. But anyways, I will see you all next time.